Do not do it because my order is to destroy the organizations. Kaya sinabi ko, huwag ninyong gawain yan. Do not do it. Pag hindi ninyo sinunod, masabihin bakit namatay. So my order to the military and the police, and rightly so, to destroy the organization, both the supplier, the users, and everybody connected with the organization. Because they keep alive the trade. Sabi ko dito, ayaw ko mapaya. I declared war against drugs. Huwag mo akong hiyain. Kasi hindi ako nakakatanggap ng kahiyaan.
Sir, kailan ho ulit may matutumba na mayor?
Depende na lang sa intriga mo kung saan ang mas marami.